Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Instagram comment not showing. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, the very first step is to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your mobile device has a Wi-Fi connection and make sure the Wi-Fi is working well. After you have checked the Wi-Fi connection, you need to head toward the Instagram application. If the comments are showing, you're good to go. Even after that, if you are facing problem with comment section, you need to head toward the app info. Tap and hold on the app icon of Instagram and click on eye icon. Go to storage uses and clear the cache. Once the cache has been cleared, head toward app permission. Make sure all the vital permission and as well as location is provided to Instagram application, as sometimes that plays a vital role in the application performance as well. Last but not the least, head toward Google Play Store and make sure Instagram application is up to date in your device. If you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Instagram comment section not showing. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.